Okay, welcome. This is James Foss, and in this video today, I am going to talk about, let me hide myself for a second. I'm going to talk about paying for your Karatbit trading with KBC. And for those of you that haven't done many withdrawals and deposits and those kind of things with cryptocurrency, this video will help you. This video will help you figure that out. Okay, and before I get into it any deeper, right now within the Karatbit Exchange, because they're reworking the Karatbit Exchange because of the swap from the Ethereum tokens, which is what the KBC is right now, to the new KBC coin, which will be on the Karatnet blockchain. So there's a transition, and they're working on that. So there's a lot of things going on in the background. But as a result, within the Karatbit Exchange right now, anything that is Ethereum based is not, well, it's delayed. So you can execute the transaction, but it will sit in basically a pending status, waiting for them to finalize it. And that's all because of the work that they're doing to prepare for the final switch over to the new Karatnet exchange. All right, with that said, let's go ahead and jump in. So K-School is what I'm calling it, and basically this is the training that many people have been asking for, that I'm going to provide for the Karatbit Exchange. All right, so I abbreviated it in just K-School. All right, so let's jump in. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to log in to your Karatbit account. Okay. Now this is important. You may not always catch this. I use tools sometimes, and what they do is they change my proxy settings. I'm not really clear why they do it. It's kind of a pain in the butt. However, I do have to pay attention, and I'll explain more here in just a second. So always be safe. When you're preparing to log in, make sure that your browser at the top left corner shows a lock. If it says not secure, then there's something wrong with your connection, because the connection to Karatbit.com should always be secure. And please note it is singular, so Karatbit. There is no S. If you put an S, it's going to take you to a completely different site. It's a site that, last time I looked, is not a trustworthy site, so Karatbit.com. All right? No doubt others have noticed that too. All right, so there's the top left corner that I'm talking about of your browser. In this case, right now, I'm showing not secure. I did ultimately figure out what was going on with it. As I said, I have one program that I know of that actually changes my proxy settings. So once you have that lock showing up, then you know you're in a good spot. I'm sorry. For some reason, I had a hair in my mouth. Okay, so let's move forward here. So let's log in. Of course, your email address, the domain of your email address, and your password, and then your 2FA. If you haven't set this up before, this is something you're going to have to get set up using Google Authenticator. And you can see the code in Google Authenticator is the code that you use with your Karatbit login, and that will authenticate you securely. And then you get your welcome prompt. And I'm not sure for other people. I know for me, it always seems to drop me into Ethereum Bitcoin, the Ethereum Bitcoin pair, so I don't know what the deal is there. Anyways, so click on, you're going to want to click on Dashboard, and that takes you to your wallet and balance and all of that stuff. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to click on the withdrawal. So the withdrawal you're going to select is the one that's lined up with your KBC wallet or Karat Gold coin. Okay, now what you're going to do is, when you select that, you're going to get this screen here. Please select a wallet. Well, you're going to have to create a wallet, right? So select Save New Wallet. So we're going to create a new wallet. And that gives us these boxes: new blockchain address, address label, and the amount of coin that you want to withdraw. Okay, so the new blockchain address, that's the address I will provide to you once I receive a text from you with the word class, C-L-A-S-S, okay? the address label, you don't need, it's a reference. So for you, I just call it James Possible Karatbit Training, and whatever you want to call it is fine. This is your Karatbit environment, and you get to do what you want to do. I'm just trying to explain to you in a way that hopefully makes it clear. Now, this is something they don't tell you up front, but if you're going to do a withdrawal, you have a minimum of 1,000 KBC coin that you must withdraw. So it will not let you withdraw anything less than 1,000 KBC coin. Okay? And in this case, since you're doing the KBC training, the Karatbit training, I'm sorry, the cost will be 7,500 KBC coin. Right? And right now, KBC coin is a huge discount. So this is the time. If you're going to do it, get it now. Okay? And if you're unsure of the best way to do it, because of the Ethereum situation, it's probably the least confusing way is to buy some Bitcoin, get it into your Karatbit account, and then buy some or acquire some KBC coin from there. And you do that through trading, and that's probably a little bit beyond the scope of this discussion right now. But if you have questions about that, just shoot me a text. I'll happily help you with that. Okay, so now I put in 7,500 KBC coin. I click Save New Address and Submit, and this is what I get. It's going to ask me for my 2FA code. So I need to put another, it's asking me for a new one, right? Let's say you were quick enough to go through this process and you were still, your Google Authenticator still had the same code. Well, it's not going to work. So you literally have to wait till the new code is generated, and then you enter that code. There we go. After you click OK on that, submit, I think what was that? Yeah, after you confirm, then you come to this prompt, which says almost done, and you must confirm the withdrawal in your email. So there's all these steps that are to protect you from somebody trying to steal your coin. Okay? So click OK, and now you should see something like this in your email, your inbox, Karatbit, and then please confirm your withdrawal as the subject line. And then once you open that email, you'll see this approve, decline. It also has the wallet address. Click approve. Then you'll receive this message, action approved. Now, here's the thing. If we come back here and you're not sure if you already approved something, and let's say you did it a second time. Well, instead of saying action approved, you'll see action declined, and that's okay. That just simply means you've already approved it. Okay, and that's it. The transfer is complete. So it's really, really a simple process. It's just, if you haven't done it more than once, it's like anything else, like driving a car. It just takes doing it a few times, and then it's second nature. Okay. Now, for those of you that are watching this video and you didn't catch the video that talked about the Karatbit training, well, let's briefly go through that. So Karatbit training with James Possible, and there's going to be 4 sessions in all. 2 basic sessions. The basic sessions are required, meaning you must attend the 2 basic sessions. And then there's 2 advanced sessions, because the whole reason of the requirement on the basic is simply because I don't want to get into the advanced topics and have a lot of basic questions being asked, because that's going to interrupt my flow, and it's also going to take away from the time that's available to the people that did actually attend the first 2 sessions. Okay? Each session will be an hour and a half. The schedule for this group, these 4 sessions, is going to be January 28th, which happens to be today at 9:30 p.m. Eastern. The second one will be February 4th, 9:30 p.m. Eastern. Third one, February 11th, 9:30 Eastern. And finally, the 18th of February, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. Okay? So this session is going to be a nighttime training. And it's going to be on Tuesday for 4 weeks. Okay, special notices. Basic sessions must be attended to access the advanced sessions. Okay? Given the nature of the training, there will be no refunds. I know there's everything in the world says refunds, and you know what? At the end of the day, from the first session all the way to the 4th one, you're going to be able to use it right away. You're going to be able to apply it to what you're doing, and it's not worth my time to do this and offer a refund. It's just not, and it's not priced over the top. So I've made it accessible, and that's I'm just not going to do this for free. Okay, so pricing, 4 sessions. Each session is going to be 1,875 KBC coin. And again, KBC coin right now are really, really inexpensive. Let me look here real fast. It looks like it's still under a penny. So it's a huge saving. If I was having to build this out at fiat prices, it would be way more expensive. And I don't want to do that. I want to make this affordable. The benefit is I get KBC coin, you save money, and you get this great opportunity to learn some skills that you can apply to your business within the Karatbit Exchange. So total KBC coin count is 7,500 coins. So what you're going to do is send the KBC coin to my wallet. And again, once I receive a text from you with the word class, C-L-A-S-S, and I'll share more about that in a minute, I will provide you with a wallet at my wallet address, okay? So to sign up for the training, just simply text the word class, C-L-A-S-S, to 405-293-8388. And a special note, I might have to take away the +1 because it seems like some of the text messages I've been getting from with the +1, there seem to be issues, so I'm not able to reply. And to address that, I'm going to ask, if you're interested in the class, please include your email address. This guarantees that I will be able to get a hold of you to send you the information so you can move forward in signing up. Right now I have at least one person, I have more, but I have one person specifically related to the class, and I'm going to say this publicly, area code 242, and then the number ends in 56. So I'm hoping that maybe you're watching this. If you are, please text me your email address, and then we can move forward from there. I tried to send you a text, and it keeps failing, so I don't know what the deal is. Okay, that's really it. That's all there is. There's nothing to it. So you know how to do the withdrawal with KBC. This is a video. You can easily go back through this and watch it again. As far as signing up for the class, for the sessions, just simply text the word class to 405-293-8388. Also include your email address and special announcement. Given some people have reached out to me, they said that the 9:30 time is not going to work out for them. I've created another session, which is going to be on Thursdays, and I'm going to announce that right after this video. So after you watch this video, if you're interested in another time slot, I will be sharing that video shortly after this. So watch for the new video. It'll be there shortly. And again, to get signed up, just simply text the word class to 405-293-8388. And that's it. You know what to do. This is James Possible. I'm looking forward to getting to meet you, to go through this process, to learn some things, to answer your questions. This is about your money. This is about finance. The digital world is our future. And so the more you understand it, the better off you're going to be, the better prepared you're going to be, especially in times of struggle that we are potentially facing. So that's it for now. I'll see you on the inside. Bye.